we've just pulled up. We've just
docked.
We've just sailed in to a little bay halfway down
Mljet.
the coast of Mljet. The bay, I believe, is called Okuklje.
Okuklje. But we could be mispronouncing that very badly.
It seems like the further we sail south down Croatia, the less vowels they're interested in using.
But the bay itself is absolutely stunning.
Beautiful.
It is, very well protected, hidden in these dramatic mountains covered in greenery, and the water is crystal clear, and this small little village. It's quite something special.
Yep, just a couple of restaurants. Excuse you, Balfroster. Just a couple of restaurants waving you in as you come in. We picked sort of the most modest one at the back. Lampalo. Super lovely guy came out and helped us dock.
Brought us
a bit of cake to welcome us.
So we decided on the Lampalo because it seemed to have the best reviews on TripAdvisor for food, and it's also a little bit more family owned. It seems friendly, like more authentic than some of the other restaurants in this small little bay. And the people here have been absolutely lovely, giving us internet, electricity, brought us cake. I'm really excited. It smells like the wood fire is going over there, so I'm pretty excited about dinner.
This fish that I caught earlier.
Prepared by me.
Prepared by Kelly. What fishing we've been doing. So we spent the week sailing south down the coast of Mljet and down the coast of Croatia as we try to exit the country, but we got hit by some pretty bad weather yesterday and overnight the night before. Winds above 20 coming from all directions, and a bit of swell and lightning and rain and the rest of it. So we've made an emergency stop in Lopud for a couple of days, waiting for the weather to improve so that we can sail down towards the checkout point of Cavtat. Sailing towards the checkout point of Cavtat. But the weather's not improving. In fact, it's just getting worse. So we've got a small window today. We're going to try to sail to Cavtat, which is about 20 nautical miles away, check out, and then sail into Montenegro and check in another 20 nautical miles away. So a big day of sailing, about 8 hours, plus checking out of Croatia and checking into Montenegro. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Checked out of Cavtat, relatively painless process. We were helped to side dock, which was nice and easy. Someone came out and helped us Had to pay him 100 kuna, and then the harbour master checked us out in about 3 minutes, and the border police checked us out in about 2 minutes. So all in all, we spent about 15 minutes walking to offices, docking, walking to offices, and getting back in the boat. So super easy.
We made it. We sailed from Croatia to Montenegro today. It took us about 8 hours to finally make it. We don't go very fast, but you can see behind me we're coming into the channel that leads to the Bay of Kotor, and it's just absolutely stunning with these mountains and these tiny villages. So I'm pretty keen to check it out this weekend. 1.7 nautical miles, so less than 30 minutes, and I am thrilled to be going somewhere new.
It's been a long trip, huh?
It's been a long trip. It's been a long day.
How long has it taken us?
By the time we get there, it'll be about 8.5 hours. That's checking out of Croatia as well. Then we'll do the check-in to Montenegro.
It's been a fun trip, hey? No fights. Smooth sailing.
No, never sail with your partner for more than 5 hours. 2 wind push-ups. That, my friends, is how you exercise on a boat.
Does look different to Croatia, do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, it does.
More green, right?
Yeah, I guess the big mountains, but also the town. Here we are in sunny Montenegro,
In the town of Zelenika.
which is the first port that you arrive at when you enter the tiny coastline of the country of Montenegro. And the first place, the place you have to check in.
Yeah, it's just at the beginning of the Bay of Kotor.
So you sail into the bay, you moor up at the local public jetty.
And then you grab your paperwork and head over to the port authorities.
Relatively straightforward process.
Yeah, you just need to bring your boat documents, your passports, insurance, and your crew list.
And your credit card.
And your credit card. And then you just walk to this, looks like a house, but it's where we checked in at the port authority. And then you go back and check in with the police. So it's all quite simple.
There's a anchorage nearby. We anchored overnight. It was gusting up to about 25, 30, even 35 knots, but only occasionally, and our anchor held quite well.
Or there's a marina nearby as well.
You can get a SIM card in Montenegro really easily. Just get it from a newsagent, a kiosk. Make sure they activate it for you. They'll need your passport to do so. If they don't activate it for you, it's not going to work. It costs about €10 for about 500 gigabytes for 15 days, so really cheap, really easy. And we're going to head to shore and see what is going on in Montenegro.
Let's do it.
Pew, pew. Now do finger guns. Pew, 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 pew.